Welcome to
Everyone.
Super Dad Podcast with
Super dad.
Super Dad. Yes, and Tap Tap here with me. So we're back, no? After 3 months of absence here in Super Dad Podcast. We're back, guys, no? Ayan, chill na chill lang tayo. No? Now, Indian seat lang tayo, no? And it's been a long time, and this is our episode 8 of our Super Dad podcast, right? So, just recently, yeah, just an update, guys. For 2 weeks, for the past few months, we've been quite busy, no? On our sports cards shop and many things on work, no? And Kuya Tep went back to school, no? And Tap is as usual, super kulit. And who's the dede girl? Who? Who's the dede girl?
Three.
Dede girl is talagang napakulit. Kaya, pero we promise you, our episodes here, we will try to upload as much as we can here on our Super Dad podcast. And as you all know, guys, we already separated the Super Dad podcast channel to Tep and Tap Travels. No, so would you want to invite them on your YouTube channels?
You might want to subscribe to Tap and Tap Travels or Sir Sun, and you might also want to subscribe to Dad and Son Sports Cards.
Yes, thank you, Kuya. And what do you do on Tap and Tap Travels?
Hello, Dad.
Hello, guys. So, what do you do on Tap and Tap Travels?
Travel together in different places because it's called Tap and Tap Travels, of course.
Are you enjoying travel, Tap?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, do you really want to go places, explore it?
Oh yeah.
Yes. You.
For me, I think I like Japan and Dubai.
Japan and Dubai, but we haven't been there. That's your dream place, okay? Do you want also to go to Japan and Dubai, Tap? Do you want also to go to Japan and Dubai?
Bye.
You want bye, okay, to Dubai. Today our topic is so they just invited you on their YouTube channel, Tap and Tap Travels. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and also Sir Son, you have a YouTube channel also, Sir Son. What do you do on your channel?
I make drawings and like I make Pokemon and travels. That's all.
So that's what Sir Son is doing. And we also have TikTok, no? Or TikTok, your TikTok Tap and Tap is Tap and Tap Travels, of course. And you also have TikTok, Sir Son, where he puts his drawings there. And Tap Tap, do you want anything to say?
Yeah.
What?
Sure.
Okay, so there you go, guys. So today, our topic would be about them, Tap and Tap. The day our kid told us that I will do it by myself. Did you say that, Tap?
I see that.
You say that, diba?
When we're in Baguio, when the first time she said it, when you and Tap wanted to walk, and she said, I wanted to walk by myself.
Yeah, you said that.
Yeah.
You really want to walk by yourself?
Really?
Yes, okay. So
So she did it already.
she did it already. Yeah. Yeah, because one time we went to Baguio, we're walking the right park, then across the horses, 'di ba? May mga horses doon. He was playing with this butterfly toy. Do you remember your butterfly toy, Tap?
Yeah. Butterfly toy.
Yeah, you remember that, no? So she was walking with her butterfly toy, and I was holding her hands, and then she let go of my hand, and she said, "I'll walk by myself." You said that, right, Tap?
Yeah, yeah. She said it.
You can do it by yourself na?
Yeah.
Yeah, she can do it by herself na. And then I was ano no, kumbaga sa pie chart, 50% I was sad, 25% I was proud, and 25% I was surprised. So, it's a mix of emotions. Hindi nga totoo, no? May nagko-comment dun, no? So, yeah, so, so what happened was that, no, she told me, I will I want to walk by myself. No, so she let go of my hand because for the past 2 years, no, mommy, no, she always wanted us to be with her. She wanted to stick with us. She always wanted to walk together. She always wanted me to be beside her. And she always wanted to watch TV. Beside her, she wanted to watch Nikki Roma, Diana and Roma, Vlad and Nikki, by herself, and we can't do anything because if we move or we go far to her side, she will cry. Even if we are in the CR, if we'll just wee wee or poop or take a bath she want to see us. She want to be inside.
Hoping she wants to see me.
Yeah. That's why she's always on everything we do. She's like, sabi nga ni mommy, she's like Tarshir, no? She's just clinging on us, no? For the past talagang 2 years, kasi she's 2 years old now, turning 3 on December. And that's the first time, which was last week lang, nung nasa Baguio kami. She told me, I want to walk by myself. But before that, when we were in good taste, remember? When we were in good taste, when we were eating, she also told me that one thing I will never again forget, and that's it. I want to eat by myself. She when I was feeding her, I got her spoon because usually I will do that, 'di ba, kuya? I will feed her, I will put a spoon and she will eat. But that time, Tap Tap said, I will eat by myself. You said that, right, Tap?
Yeah.
You can eat by yourself already? Yeah, she can eat by herself already, no? So, those things are talagang ano eh, yun nga sabi ko kanina, mix emotions, no? You tend to be sad because for the past 2 years, you're doing, yeah, sad and proud because for the past 2 years, she was always beside us. Everything she does, it's either mommy and daddy who should be beside her. But this time, she wants to do it by myself, which quite surprising to me, no? I'm quite surprised and proud at the same time that you can do it by yourself. You're doing good. You can do it by yourself already, Tap. You're very good, no? You can eat by yourself, you can walk by yourself, you can do it by your own already. Yeah, okay. Darating kasi talaga doon na yung panahon na hindi ka na nila kakailanganin, no? Kaya masaya kami and proud kami. Yung sabi ko nga para sa pie chart, parang 50%, 25%, 25%. Because proud kami because she can do it independently na. Because not at all times. Ayun, no? So, parang naano lang kami na she can do it independently na. Okay? She can do it by her own na. And kasi lahat ng trainings no ng 2 years, she was observing how, no, she was observing isa kasi sa mga ano ng bata, kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa kanila, yun din ang gagawin nila sa iyo, sa kapatid niya. For example, si Tap, nakita ni Tap si Tep na nag-aaral independently. Ganon din siya. Kukuha siya ng libro, tapos mag-aaral siya independently, no? So, it's a matter of training and talagang observant kasi yung mga kids, no? Kaya, madali silang matuto. Especially if repetitively nating ginagawa yon. But, it's not also not only tap, no, not only tap
Yeah.
nung ako naging medyo emotional no nung sabihin sa akin, but with also with Tep, no. Si Tep naman was when he was 3 or 4 years old siguro. Yeah, 4.
I wanted to take a bath by myself.
Oh, you remembered, no? You remembered. Very good, ah. Yes, because every day of our lives, no?
I take a bath with Sir Dad,
Yeah.
and then now I wanted to do it independently. So I said I want to take a bath by myself.
Yeah. So there comes a time when I will soap him. He will call me, soap me, shampoo me. Then every day talaga, lalo na pandemic 'yon, talagang magkasabay talaga kami na ano. And what do we do before we take a bath?
Uh,
We clean the bathroom, no? You forgot. Yeah, we always clean the bathroom together. And then after that, we take a bath. After that, no? After that, nagsabi nga siya na I want to take a bath by myself. But, yung time na yon talagang, kasi first eh. First si kuya eh, no? Kaya talagang naging emotional talaga ako doon, no? Dahil for the past few years, talagang magkasabay kami na naliligo, no? Pero, ngayon naman, we're still taking a bath together. But sometimes na lang, no? Hindi na talaga yung perfect na, ano, kasi talaga minsan, super aga, he'll take a bath na, no? Then, minsan naman, super late, take a bath na, no? Kaya,
wake up and then take a bath.
yeah, no? So, the lesson here is, ano, no, talagang there will come a time when your kids will be, ano na, no, independent. Will be independent, no? This Super Dad podcast. Yeah. So, kaya ang mangyayari is, talagang pag dumating yung puntong yon ay talagang magiging it's either sad and proud at the same time ka. Kaya naman kami, talagang alam kasi namin na darating at darating yung panahon na yon. Alam namin na hindi habang panahon ay talagang paglilingkuran namin sila, talagang pagsisilbihan namin sila. Kaya't hanggat pwede pa, hanggat hindi pa nila kaya, sinisikap namin na talagang pagsilbihan sila ng buong panahon at buong oras namin. Kaya, yun yung lagi naming sinasabi na sulitin, no? Sulitin yung pagkakataon, sulitin yung panahon with our kids, no? Because hindi mo alam, mabilis na tumatakbo ang panahon, mabilis na tumatakbo ang oras, nga sila ay unti-unting tatayo sa kanilang mga sariling paa. Pero, baon nila yung mga panahon na talagang ano ka sa kanila, hands-on sa kanila. Hands-on ka sa kanila, na bahagi yon ng pagtuturo sa kanila. Dahil kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa kanila, ganun din yung gagawin nila actually sa kapatid nilang mas bata. At maaaring ganun din yung gawin nila hanggang paglaki nila. Kaya, ang totoo kami, bawat araw talaga sinisikap, we're trying our best to be together always. We're trying our best to be by their side every time, no? I- what we do is we always make sure that we make time for them because talagang ano hindi habang panahon kasi ay kailangan kanila, hindi habang panahon gusto nila nakatabi ka, kasama ka, kaya make sure na yung time na yon is worth it, no? Hanggat sila ay bata pa, hanggat sila ay kailangan ka pa, hanggat sila ay gusto pang makasama kasi darating yung panahon, hindi na ikaw yung gusto nilang makasama eh. Darating panahon, ang gusto na nilang makasama ay maaari mga kaibigan nila. Darating yung panahon na aalis na sila sa bahay, 'di ba? Hindi na nila Baka may mga panahon na hindi ka na nila laging madalaw, 'di ba? Kaya ngayon talagang sinusulit namin sila. Maraming nagsabi sa amin na, bakit ba hindi kayo kumuha ng yaya? Ba't ba di kayo kumuha ng babysitter? Eh, para ano, makagalaw naman kayo, no? Para naman makagawa kayo ng ibang bagay, no? Kasi sa amin, ang lagi namin sinasabi, nakakagawa pa rin naman kami kahit na kasama namin sila, kahit na talagang inaasikaso namin sila. Dahil sinusulit lang namin yung panahon eh. Sinusulit namin yung pagkakataon na kasama nila. Katulad nun, di ba? Matatapos na yung time na hawak kamay kayong naglalakad palagi, no? Darating yung panahon na hindi na kayo sabay. May mga bagay na dati yung ginagawang sabay, gagawin, hindi na niya gusto na gawin yung sabay, di ba? At least you can cling on those activities or those moments where sige, ikaw na muna.
Okay. Guys, in the mall, uh, I was grocerying with my my voice, my mom and dad, and tap tap. And then I wanted to grocery with my cart by myself with the big one. And then came a good.
Yeah, okay. So yun, sa grocery din, di ba? Sabi nga niya, mag-isa na siya. So, ayun guys, kaya sulitin natin yung panahon kasi minsan alam nyo, sa sobrang abala natin, sa sobrang busy natin sa trabaho, sa sobrang duk-duk natin sa ibang mga bagay, baka nalilimutan natin na mabilis na lumilipas ang panahon at unti-unti silang maaaring iwan tayo, no? Iwan to the fact na they will have their own lives din kasi. It's not forever where lagi ko sinasabi, it's not forever where you will be your child's universe, no? It's not forever that you will be your child's universe. Kaya, while you are, no, treasure and cherish those moments, no? Ito na, tulad nito. Gusto niyang matulog, no? Ito, hindi pa nawawala. Until now, before we sleep, no? They want to scratch their back, no? Hindi sila makakatulog nang hindi kinakamutan yung kanilang mga likod. Pero darating yung panahon na sila ay matutulog na ng kanya. Darating yung panahon na hindi ka na nila tatawagin to scratch their back. Darating yung panahon na hindi ka na nila aantayin, no, na para masayihin mo sila bago matulog. Kaya hanggat ngayon ay kailangan ka pa nila, gusto pa nila, 'di ba? Samantalahin natin yung mga pagkakataon na 'yon. Kasi bahagi 'yon ng buhay natin at bahagi 'yon ng mga memories na ikaw bilang tatay, bilang nanay, hindi mo makakalimutan. Alam mo, masabi mo sa mga anak mo na, anak, alam mo, bago ka matulog noon, lagi mong sinasabi, scratch my back, na massage your leg, no? Lagi mo sinasabi na you want to be by my side, no? Gusto ko katabi ka, no? Pero darating yung panahon na hindi mo na maririnig yung mga ganong request. Kaya hanggat naririnig mo pa yon, samantalahin mo. Baka mamaya nagre-request yung mga anak natin na discussion, hindi, hayaan mo, matulog ka na dyan, hindi. No? Dahil hindi habang panahon ganon. Kaya samantalahin natin, no? Samantalahin natin at i-treasure natin yung mga yon. Those will be a lasting memories, no? For them and for you. Kaya let's treasure every day. Let's treasure every day with them, to be beside them, to be with them, no? As long as you can, para you won't regret a thing when time will come na they will live their separate lives, no? So, yun guys, yun ang ating podcast episode for today. Do you want to add anything before we end?
When I heard the song called Freaks, it's like a nostalgic song. And then it reminds me of when I look at the comments of that song, some of them make me cry. It's like it's so sad.
Yeah. Okay, so yun ipapakinggan niyo daw yung song na yun, no, guys. So ayun, sana ay meron kayong mga napulot sa mga na sa mga pinag-usapan natin ngayon. Always remember guys to live every moment, na while they're still young, while they're still kids, treasure every second with them, treasure every minute with them, and hanggat hanggat kaya nyo pa, hanggat gusto pa nila na paglingkuran nyo sila, pagsilbihan nyo sila, go ahead. Because there will come a time where masakit man, pero they won't be needing you anymore. No? They won't be wanting to be by their side anymore. Kaya while they want to, eh, do it, no? Do it and cherish it, no? Kaya ayun guys, maraming salamat for listening to our podcast, and may we see you again next time on our next episode only here at Super Dad Podcast. Follow us on our YouTube channel, podcast, yeah, Instagram, TikTok, and Spotify, mga katatay, no? Thank you guys. And see you again next time. Bye guys.